Haven't done an update video for a while, so I want to come in and show you the windshield I've been working on, the tilt steering, and some of the structural elements. So we'll start with the new windshield. You've seen the Model T wheels before and the 1940 Ford hood, but this windshield is new. It's my attempt to cut the original Tramp Spitfire windshield into something smaller. I actually was pretty successful on the first side, but then when I went to cut the second side, cracked out. So I got lucky the first time, unlucky the second time. I'm looking for another windshield because I think that fills the bill pretty nicely. It just seems like it looks the part. Give me your opinions on that. Looking for another windshield now. If I can't find it, I might make them out of plexiglass or some other plastic glass. The next thing I've been working on is back here. I bought these cheap seats for 20 bucks. Probably not the ones I will use in the end, but they're helping me get the scale right. I have it screwed down so that I can get in and out and get the feel for things. I got the steering column in. You've seen that before. That's my BMW steering column. I want to show you the electrification of it. I soldered together some solenoids to be able to get it working. So see there, it's tilting down and then tilting back up, and then it also does telescoping. So it's coming out and then going back in. So that's going to be a really nice feature when it's all finished, to be able to sit down in the seat and then just with touch of the buttons on the console be able to move the steering wheel into position. I'm also going to be putting the pedals on an electrical moving platform so that it'll have a third button for moving the pedals fore and aft, which I think will be great. Since last we visited, I also added this little feature for the bodywork. That's actually the edge of the hood that's on the back of the car. The 1950 Chrysler hood. I'd saved them, not sure what to do with them, but I think they do a great job here transitioning that 1940 Ford hood down onto the frame. So that part that's white, that will be stationary with the frame, and then it'll get another piece that'll tie it in down to the bottom, and you can kind of see where that's going to go. I've built all the framework up inside here. You can see that yellow metal, that rail going across that's holding up the back. And then I've also updated, spinning around here, keep chopping off more and more of that motorcycle as we go. I've welded in new brackets down here for helping hold the frame. And I'll swing around under here, let you see how it's got those going up, and then it's in the back here. I cut the back of the motorcycle and then welded it bent, so the top of that screws right into the back of what would have been the motorcycle back at the very back of the seat, which has given it a nice structural strength. More to come. I live in Phoenix area, so it's starting to get so hot around here that I'm starting to have to work in my shop rather than coming out, so it's going to get a little slower in the near future. But that's what I've got so far. Let's walk around at one time here. Give me your thoughts on what you think. Is it what you think could be better or different, or even what you like about it? Very much appreciated. Have a great day. Bye.